Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. Today, as you can tell from the title down here, I want to do this Juvia'S first impressions of their Velvet Matte Foundation. I Am Magic Foundation. I picked up 2 from Ulta. Got it in 2 days. This is what the packaging looks like. I picked up the shade number 300 Gabon and number 310 Burkina. I actually was gonna order it online. I heard they've been having an issue with. I've heard they had some issues with sending people's orders in a timely manner. So I didn't pick up the concealers because Ulta doesn't have the concealers. So we'll review that at another time. But I wanted to pull up their foundation on the website and just read you some information that they have about the actual foundation. It comes in 42 shades. They say that the I Am Magic Foundation was designed for all skin tones from the deepest dark to the fairest fair. It is a matte foundation. It says Velvet Matte. They have the foundations. They range from, I believe, 100, which is the deepest shade, all the way to like 740, which is the fairest of the fairest. But like I said, I ordered it on Ulta's website on a Sunday. I received it on a Tuesday or that Wednesday, so like two to 3 days, which wasn't bad at all. Ulta's really dope about that. It says it's a great formula. It refines skin texture and erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. Suitable for all skin types, includes sensitive and oily skin. So as you all know, if it's your first time here, if you don't know, I am oily combination. I really want to say combination now. Not too oily, but I am combo. I get oily mostly on my nose, to be honest with you. If not anywhere else, it's my nose. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So I picked up 2. So this is the packaging. It is a 1 fluid ounce squeeze tube, very tiny. But like I said, the videos I've seen, it looks like a little bit of this goes a very long way. They do come with this little, it comes sealed, which is dope. When it first came out, I was trying to order Burkina online, but it sold out. And then I was just like, I'm just gonna wait until it comes to Ulta, because I can just try it out then. It's really hard to pick your shade online. Very hard. I don't like doing it unless I'm like reordering it. You know, a lot of places have shade finders, which I think they have a shade finder on their website now, juvia'splace.com. You can go on there and try to like do a roundabout comparison to try to help you find your shade, which is what I did. And it helped out. Like I said, I picked 2 shades that actually are very good matches for me. But it's just really hard trying to pick a foundation online, like very hard. So, and the smaller number is the deeper shade. Number 300 is Gabon. Number 310 is the lighter shade, which is Burkina. I've already primed my face as well with my Primer Plus Mattifier Primer from Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna go on my face. I'm trying to find like a concealer brush. Let's use this one right here. I'm gonna just show y'all how close these shades are. This is number 300 and this is number 310. 310 is the closest match, but 300 like works as well, because when I blend it out, I'll show you what it looks like when I blend it out. Like, it works. That's 300. That's 310. See, 310 is the better match. But I'm blending them together and they're like, what? What do you mean? What'd you say? You can't tell. So I'm going to go all over my face with the shade Gabon. Like I said, that is the better match for me at the moment. I feel like my face is dark. I know for sure my face is darker than my chest, but I don't want to make my face in it. Yeah, that's a perfect match. It looks a little bit lighter on camera, but very full coverage. Ooh. My face look a little dark though. Okay, so y'all, here's the finished look. I'm gonna wear this throughout the day, and then I'll do some check-ins in case y'all want to see how it wears or whatever. So right now it is 4:25. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is $4.25. I'm gonna have this on for the rest of the day. If you want to see this eye look, I'm gonna have a video with this eye look coming to my YouTube, to the Tizoo, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to see that, then this is coming up soon, or if it hasn't been uploaded already. I'm wearing this little tube thing, which I never wear, or halter top situation. Never wear tops like this. But time like this makes me wish I had like some of that Rihanna Glow Fenty. Oh, I know what I got. I got some of this Melanie Mills Body Gleam. Girl, forgot about this. Hold on. This is what this looks like. I'm gonna put some of this on. I'm gonna take a clean foundation brush and just see how this turns out. I just want a little bit so I don't look so dull. That's gonna have to do. So anyway, I'll do some check-ins throughout this video, if I remember, hopefully, Lord, and then that way we can see how this works. My final thoughts so far, though, I really like it. The foundation, the coverage of it is dope. I think I can go with either shade. I know I was like tripping a little earlier, but like I can do either shade with this foundation. Once you put it on, you can make everything come together with the actual concealer and, you know, your powder and everything else. So I feel like I can make it work with either shade, 310 or 300. But we're gonna wear this. This is actually both of them put together. So we're gonna wear these two throughout the day, and I'll give you some updates. Okay, y'all. So here's an update. It is 6:22. So it has been what, 2 or 3 hours? Not that long, actually. But here is what I'm looking like. The only thing that I notice, as with all of my applications of makeup, is my nose. It gets oily. So I'm pretty good over here. About to cook some dinner, get that situated, and yeah. But I wanted to do a check-in so we can keep track of some things, and we can have some realistic type of, you know, oh, this is what it's looking like within this amount of couple of hours or whatever. So yeah, so I'll check in with y'all a little bit later. Okay, everybody, it is, what time is it? It is 9:12 p.m. I have had this foundation on since, girl, when did we start? I only had it on for like 5 hours, and this is what my face looks like. So here's my issue. I'm like, I haven't touched up my face or anything. I don't look bad. I put that mattifying primer on, but I did not put my Becca on my nose like I should have, because like you can see where my oils are peeking through in my nose area, which I told y'all it would do that anyway. I'm just touch up with my sponge. But other than that part, like, it's fine. See, it was just peeking through here, which I really should have tested it out with my Becca primer. I always wear my Becca primer. I don't care if I'm rocking a mattifying foundation. I don't care if I'm rocking like a dewy one. I don't care if it's a BB cream. I will always put on that Becca primer, and I did not do it today. I don't know why, but I didn't. Hey, highlight. But yeah, so I haven't touched on my lips or nothing. I've been in the kitchen cooking. You know, I think I ran to the store one time since I did this. I took a couple of pictures, which I uploaded to the gram. I'm gonna put my Instagram somewhere here around in this video so y'all can follow me on the gram. But yeah, I like the foundation. I love that it's so full coverage. I love that I don't have to use a lot to get that coverage. But I am gonna try it out again, and I'll update y'all as far as like how it works with my Becca primer. But I mean, I like it. If I do come across any type of issues, I'll let y'all know in the future. But as of right now, I like it. Like I said, I have not touched it up within the 5 hours that I have had it on, because I wanted to actually do what it was gonna do. But I've been in my kitchen. It's a little warm in there, so it actually looked good compared to what I know it could have looked like if I was like really in like a real hot environment. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you all have picked up the foundation, go ahead and leave some comments down below. Like, I love it when y'all comment so I can reply back. and we can have a whole conversation about what you love about it, what you don't love about it, if you plan on getting it or not. So if you all enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell for new videos. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.